So aside having implemented those basic models for emotional intelligence, it is important to develop the complementary skills, which would also help in addressing your emotional intelligence skills. I mean, yeah. And those skills are social skills, technical skills, administrative skills, leadership effectiveness, friendliness, task motivation, and group task support. And we have what's known as tailored objective intelligence. There are some certain intelligence which are based on, which are tailored towards specific field, like for instance, abstract intelligence, the mechanical intelligence, the spatial intelligence, the bodily and aesthetic intelligence, linguistic intelligence, the logical mathematical intelligence. These intelligence are based on, they are IQ based intelligence. While we have also have emotional intelligence based tailored intelligence, and these include the social intelligence, the interpersonal intelligence, the intrapersonal intelligence, the emotional intelligence. The intrapersonal intelligence, for example, deals with personal intelligence, being able to be well aware of one's self, and the interpersonal intelligence has to do with how well you relate with other people, how well you relate in relation to other people's emotions. Also, we have intelligence at workplace. There are some basic intelligence which is often required within any organization where you find yourself. First, we have the cognitive ability, which is based on intelligence quotient. We have the technical ability, which is based on your IQ as well. We have the empathy ability. The cognitive ability has to do with your ability to grasp, to understand things at work, and your technical ability as well still relates to knowledge, the skills you need, which you've actually acquired in relation to the work you're doing, and in relation to any technicality which surrounds the job description. And the empathy ability has to do with you being able to master your emotions and as well understand the emotions of other people within your workplace. It's often said that, it's a known fact that empathy ability, which is based on emotional intelligence, goes a long way in helping people report success at the office. In any organization.